Hi guys, it's Jeff, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own very hungry caterpillar. All you need is construction paper, green construction paper for the body, and then red for the head, and you just have to cut it into like about 1 or 2 inches thick. You just need one red and as many green as you want, that doesn't really matter. And then put them together. You're going to just tape them like that. So I have one already done. And then continue. Just using regular tape. Nothing special. Alright, 4 is enough. I'll stop there. And then you put the head on. Okay, now we have the body. And for the eyes, I'm going to use googly eyes, but you can use markers, crayons, whatever you want. If you have googly eyes, you can use them too. But yeah, I'm going to use the googly eyes because we just happen to have them here at the library. Come on. Now he's got part of his face started. I cut out 2 little antennas from black construction paper, and I'm going to stick them on. I think the best way is going to be with tape. Doesn't really matter, but for me, it's what I feel comfortable with. There he's got his antenna. And I should have put the mouth on before I rolled it, but I'll just do it now. And that's the hungry caterpillar. It's pretty easy. You don't need a lot of supplies. Like I said, the googly eyes, if you have them, you can use them, or you can just color them in with crayons or markers. And that's it. Simple, fun project. All right. Thanks a lot. See you next time.